Microsoft Word, a word processor published by Microsoft. It is one of the Office productivity applications included in the Microsoft Office suite. Originally developed by Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody in 1983. Microsoft Word lets you create professional quality documents, reports, letters, and resumes. Unlike a plain text editor, Microsoft Word has features including spell check, grammar check, text and font formatting, HTML, hypertext markup language, support, image support, advanced page layout, and more. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely recognized and utilized word processing applications in the modern digital world. Since its development, it has played a transformative role in how individuals and organizations create, edit, and share written documents. From simple letters to complex research papers and professional reports, Microsoft Word has become an essential tool across education, business, government, and personal communication. Its continuous evolution over the years reflects the changing needs of users and the rapid advancement of technology, making it not just a tool for typing but a comprehensive platform for document creation and management. At its most basic level, Microsoft Word allows users to create text-based documents in a digital format. Unlike traditional writing methods such as handwriting or typewriting, Word provides flexibility, efficiency, and accuracy. Users can easily edit text, correct mistakes, and rearrange content without having to rewrite entire pages. This fundamental capability significantly improves productivity and reduces the effort required to produce high-quality documents. Whether someone is drafting a short memo or writing an entire book, Microsoft Word provides the necessary tools to accomplish the task effectively. One of the most notable features of Microsoft Word is its user-friendly interface. The graphical layout makes it easy for users to interact with the software through menus, icons, and toolbars. The ribbon interface, which organizes commands into tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View, has made navigation more intuitive. Each tab contains groups of related tools, allowing users to quickly locate the features they need. For beginners, this design simplifies the learning process, while advanced users benefit from quick access to powerful tools. The Home tab is particularly important because it includes the most frequently used commands. These include options for font formatting, such as changing text size, style, and color. It also provides tools for text alignment, line spacing, and paragraph organization. Features like bold, italic, and underline help emphasize important information, while bullet points and numbered lists improve readability. Clipboard functions such as cut, copy, and paste make it easier to edit and organize content within a document. Beyond basic text editing, Microsoft Word excels in document formatting. Formatting determines how a document appears and is structured. Users can adjust margins, spacing, indentation, and page orientation to meet specific requirements. Styles and themes allow for consistent formatting throughout a document, ensuring a professional appearance. For example, headings can be formatted uniformly, making long documents easier to navigate. This consistency is especially important in academic and professional settings, where presentation matters as much as content. Another powerful feature of Microsoft Word is the ability to insert various elements beyond plain text. Users can enhance their documents by adding images, tables, charts, shapes, and hyperlinks. These elements make documents more visually appealing and informative. For instance, tables can organize data clearly, while images can illustrate key points. This versatility allows users to create documents that are not only informative but also engaging. As documents become more complex, organization becomes increasingly important. Microsoft Word provides tools such as styles and headings to help structure content effectively. By applying heading styles, users can create a logical hierarchy within their documents. This structure enables the automatic generation of a table of contents, which is particularly useful for long reports, research papers, and books. The ability to navigate through sections quickly improves both the writing and reading experience. In academic and research contexts, Microsoft Word offers advanced referencing tools. Users can insert citations, manage sources, and generate bibliographies in various formats such as APA, MLA, and Chicago style. This feature simplifies the process of academic writing and ensures proper citation practices. Footnotes and endnotes can also be added to provide additional information without disrupting the main text. These tools are invaluable for students, researchers, and professionals who need to produce well-documented work. Microsoft Word also supports collaboration, which is essential in today's interconnected world. Multiple users can work on the same document, either sequentially or simultaneously. Features such as track changes and comments allow users to review edits and provide feedback. This is particularly useful in team environments where documents must be reviewed and approved by several individuals. Real-time collaboration through cloud integration further enhances this capability, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. Another key advantage of Microsoft Word is its proofreading and editing tools. The software includes spelling and grammar checks that help users identify and correct errors as they type. Suggestions for improvement enhance clarity and readability. While these tools are not a substitute for careful proofreading, they significantly reduce mistakes and improve the overall quality of documents. Additional features such as the thesaurus and word count provide further support for writing and editing. The ability to save documents in multiple formats adds to the flexibility of Microsoft Word. While the default format preserves advanced features, users can also save documents as PDFs or other formats for compatibility. This ensures that documents can be easily shared and accessed across different devices and platforms. Autosave and auto-recover features provide additional security by preventing data loss in case of unexpected interruptions. Customization is another strength of Microsoft Word. Users can personalize the interface and settings to suit their preferences. Frequently used commands can be added to the quick access toolbar, and default fonts and layouts can be adjusted. Templates offer pre-designed structures for common document types, saving time and ensuring consistency. These options allow users to tailor the software to their specific needs and workflows. Security is an important consideration when working with digital documents. Microsoft Word includes features that allow users to protect their files with passwords and restrict editing permissions. This is particularly important for sensitive or confidential information. Document inspection tools help remove hidden data, ensuring that only intended content is shared. In practical terms, Microsoft Word is used in a wide range of fields. In education, students use it to write essays, assignments, and research papers, while teachers use it to prepare instructional materials and provide feedback. In business, it is used to create reports, proposals, and official correspondence. Government institutions rely on it for documentation and record keeping. Writers and content creators use it to draft articles and books. Its versatility makes it an essential tool in almost every professional and personal context. Microsoft Word also supports multilingual capabilities, enabling users to work in different languages. Spell check and translation tools help users communicate effectively across linguistic boundaries. This is particularly valuable in global environments where communication between different cultures is common. With the rise of mobile technology and cloud computing, Microsoft Word has become more accessible than ever. Users can create and edit documents on various devices, including smartphones and tablets. Cloud integration allows documents to be stored online and accessed from anywhere. This flexibility has transformed how people work, making it easier to stay productive in different environments. Artificial intelligence has also been integrated into Microsoft Word, providing advanced writing assistance. Features that suggest improvements in grammar, style, and tone help users produce better content. These tools enhance efficiency and support users in creating clear and professional documents. Despite its many advantages, Microsoft Word is not without limitations. Extremely complex documents can sometimes be difficult to manage, and certain advanced design tasks may require specialized software. However, these challenges can be overcome through practice and learning. By developing their skills, users can fully utilize the capabilities of the software. To use Microsoft Word effectively, it is important to follow best practices. Planning and organizing content before writing improves clarity and structure. Consistent formatting enhances readability and professionalism. Regular saving and proper file management prevent data loss. Proofreading ensures accuracy and quality. Learning keyboard shortcuts increases efficiency, while using templates saves time and effort. Security awareness is also essential. Users should protect their documents and be cautious when sharing files. Understanding how to use security features helps prevent unauthorized access and ensures the safety of important information. As technology continues to evolve, Microsoft Word is expected to adapt and improve. New features and updates will continue to enhance its functionality and user experience. Its integration with other tools and platforms will further increase its usefulness in a digital world. In conclusion, Microsoft Word is far more than a simple word processing application. It is a powerful and versatile tool that supports a wide range of tasks, from basic writing to advanced document creation and collaboration. Its user-friendly design, extensive features, and adaptability make it an indispensable part of modern life. By learning how to use Microsoft Word effectively, individuals can improve their productivity, enhance their communication, and create professional quality documents. As the digital landscape continues to grow, Microsoft Word will remain a vital tool for expressing ideas, sharing information, and achieving success in various fields. Thank you for watching this video.